Hello everyone, please click the bell below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create a logo that you want to design. First, you search for the template you want. Next, click on the one you want to change once you find the template. Next, click the edit button to edit where you want to change to make your logo better. Next, change the colors. Click on the color at the bottom so that the color you are changing will be replaced with the color you are changing. I'm going to search for new elements like the t-shirt so we can change the logo for the clothing. Because my target is to turn the old Milk Tea logo into my clothing logo like t-shirt. Our t-shirt, which is our clothing name and the clothing t-shirt we want. Next, change the color of the text. So guys, this concludes our tutorial on how to make a logo using Canva. And this is the result of our editing. So guys, always remember, Canva is a design tool for students make awesome graphic fast. Thank you for watching!